Mongolian pensioners who are 65 years of age or up will receive the longevity grant before the Mongolian National Festival Nadam. According to the 21st resolution of the government from 2017, the longevity grant will be issued twice a year during the traditional New Year or Mongolian Tsagasar and Nadam festival. The last February before the Tsagasar, around 51,500 pensioners received their longevity grant. In accordance with the resolution, elders who are 65 to 69 years old will get 50,000 tugriks. 70 to 79 aged people will receive 80,000 tugriks, and seniors 80 to 89 years old will get 150,000 tugriks. Pensioners who are 90 years old or up will receive 250,000 tugriks.